Unplug. Do what makes you feel alive. It's your adventure, your experience, your story. So catch that perfect wave. Set sail without worries. Let your boots hit the trail. Explore with the windows down. You are as tough as the terrain you explore. You can handle whatever is thrown your way. For those who demand more out of life, BAK Industries has you covered with a full line of truck bed covers that allow you to do more, to keep pace with your active lifestyle, wherever life takes you. From daring outdoorsmen to those who just mean business. Our American-made premium truck bed covers protect what's important, so you're always ready for adventure. All BAK covers feature low-profile designs, premium materials, and industrial strength that offers protection while maintaining full bed access. They help secure your gear and keep weather out. Our premium hard rolling covers feature lightweight aluminum slats for easy one-handed operation. Our hard folding covers quickly fold to give you full bed access. Our retractable covers maintain the sleek lines of your truck at all times. No matter the job, our truck bed covers transition from work to play, day to night, dirt to blacktop. BAK, your truck better.